Welcome back, students. In this video we will start the moment generating function of the geometric distribution. Okay, in the previous videos we discussed about the Poisson distribution, binomial distribution and the geometric distribution definition. Now I will tell you the moment generating function in geometric distribution, and we will find out the mean and variance of geometric distribution. Okay, now moment generating function mxt is represented as expectation of t की power x. Now this is the discrete distribution. Geometric distribution is the discrete distribution where x is varying from 0, 1, 2 up to so on infinity. So we will use summation x from 0 to infinity e की power tx into p of x. What is the PMF function in this geometric distribution? That is e की power tx qxp. Alright, now this p is independent of summation, so I will take this out, common p. Now summation is varying from x from 0 to infinity et into q की power x. Alright, now open the summation. When you open that summation, you will get p of et q raised to the power 0 will be 1 plus et q plus et q square plus et q cube and so on. Now this bracket term is the infinite gp with common ratio e raised to the power t into q. So what will be the sum of this infinite gp? It will be 1 by में 1 minus r, a by में 1 minus r, here r is e t q. Okay, so your formula is p by 1 minus q e t. Name it as 1. Now differentiate this mxt function with respect to t, and when you put t is equal to 0, you will get your mean mu1 dash. Alright, now differentiate firstly this function. I am erasing this portion, in the end I will write it again. Okay, now differentiate this function with respect to t. P as it is 1 minus q e t as it is, differentiation of constant will be 0, minus 1 as it is, differentiation of this term will be 0 minus q e t by में denominator का square, this term. Okay, so it will be, first term will be 0, this minus and this minus will be plus p q e की power t upon में 1 minus q e t का square. Now put t is equal to 0, mu1 dash. This complete at t is equal to 0. Now this complete at t is equal to 0 will be e की power 0, that is always 1. Alright, so pq in numerator and in denominator what you have, 1 minus q का whole square, which is pq by में p square, because I told you in definition p plus q is equal to 1. Alright, so it is q by p. What? Mean mu1 dash by mgf function. Now for second derivative, d2 by dt2 mxt. This will be second derivative of this term pq as it is, derivative of this e की power t, denominator as it is, minus numerator term as it is, differentiation of this denominator 2, 1 minus q e t, and differentiation of this part 0 minus q e t, divide by what? This 1 minus q e t raised to the power 4. Now when I take this common, this power 1 from here, power 1 from here and power 1 from here, they will cancel out each other. So it will be pq e की power t 1 minus q e t. ये टर्म कैंसिल हो चुकी है, दिस माइनस एंड दिस माइनस, प्लस 2q e t into e t divide by 1 minus q e t raised to the power 3. Now put t is equal to 0. It will be your mu2 dash. Put t is equal to 0. Put t is equal to 0. what you will get if you put t is equal to 0? You will get pq e की power t will be 1 minus q, and here plus 2q, because e की power 0 is 1, plus 2q, divide by what? 1 minus q whole cube, 1 minus q whole cube. So it will be mu 2 dash will be pq 1 plus q upon में p cube. So it will be q 1 plus q in place of upon में p का square. तो it is ठीक है. This is your mu 2 dash. Now mu 2 is mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash का square. That will be q 1 plus q by में p square minus mu 1 dash square q square by p square. It will be, open this bracket, it will be q by p square plus q square by p square. When I am opening this bracket, then I am getting this minus q square by p square. This and this cancel out, it will be q by में p square. So your mean is this and variance mu 2 is q by में p square. By which method? By moment generating function method.